Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Orbits. In this video, I am going to explain about the Schema Builder. So let's directly move into the topic. Click on this gear icon, click on Setup and search for Schema Builder in Quick Find search bar. Basically, Schema Builder shows all the available objects along with the fields in arc with pictorial representation. Let's first understand the things over here. The blank space which you are seeing now is called as canvas, and you can see two tabs on left hand side. One is elements and objects. When you click on objects tab, it shows all the available objects on the arc. So if you want to display any particular object on Canva, just select it, click on search icon. It will automatically display on Canva. Okay, and if you click on this elements tab, it will display objects, fields. So if you want to create any new object, just select it and drag it on Canva. You can fill all the fields as per your requirement. Okay, in this way you can create the object from here. And if you want to create any fields for the existing objects, you can do that as well. Just select any of the field, drag and drop onto the object. Okay, you can see the field name over here, auto number field. Just I'm giving the name as employee ID. You can follow the same steps which I have explained while creating the field. Click on save. Yeah, you can see the field employee ID has been created here. Just give a right click on it. You can see the four options. If you want to display this field in a new tab or new window, you can click on this. Okay, and if you want to see the field properties or to edit any field properties, you can edit directly from here. Okay, in this way you can edit here. And if you want to give any field permissions, you can do that as well, like giving the visible permissions to the profiles. Click on save. Now if you want to delete this field, you can delete it. Okay, and this is the hierarchy relationship from account to account. When you just place a cursor on the line, it will show what type of relation it is. Okay, auto layout. When you click on this tab, it will automatically arrange all the objects neatly. It helps to arrange the objects and to avoid overlapping the objects. For that purpose, we will use this auto layout tab. You can hide the relationships by clicking on this. Okay, and if you want to display element names, you can do that. And if you want to hide the display element names, you can do that as well. And you can see the legend on the top right corner. See, this is called the legend box. You can control it from here. Like if you want to show it, you can show it, or otherwise you can hide it as well. Okay, this is all about the schema builder, and we will learn more things about the schema builder, like how to create the relationships over here, and how to create the objects, fields, everything in the schema builder itself in the coming classes. Yes, this is all about for this video. If you have any doubts, please do comment me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.